Following the rapid development of transportation industry and the rise of new energy, the automotive industry and the stereoscopic transportation network are moving ahead in new energy at high speed. Zhengheng has maintained long-term partnerships with renowned domestic and overseas automakers. As a leading supplier of cylinder blocks for international consumption engines and a smart manufacturer of new energy transportation components, Zhengheng has been making remitting efforts to grow and win through innovation. Zhengheng is specialized in engineering, manufacturing, and marketing of automobile engine blocks and parts, and provides global automotive customers with one-stop solutions covering product design, mold development, casting, and machining. Following the upgrading and transformation of the automobile industry, Zhengheng has initiated an unprecedented innovation and reform. Zhengheng is an innovator of industry. Its manufacturing strength in casting and machining integration, collaborative development capabilities, lightweight technicals, and rich experiences in customization products have driven Zhengheng to be deeply blended in energy-saving vehicles, new energy vehicles, new industries, and new business forms. Zhengheng has made constant investment in R&D and has jointly carried out researches in casting, thermal spraying, and smart manufacturing with top universities at home and abroad. Over 160 engineers and professional inspection laboratories are backing up our technical strengths. We have developed advanced smart casting technologies and internationally leading manufacturing technologies, as well as a full set of technological systems for high-pressure vacuum die casting, no-pressure die casting, and gravity casting. We have been granted hundreds of points and awards. We are also assessed as a state-level high-tech enterprise and Sichuan Enterprise Technology Center. Zhengheng has manufactured and delivered engine blocks and other automobile parts to more than 30 automobile OEMs and engine manufacturers of gasoline-driven vehicles, diesel-driven vehicles, and hybrid vehicles. Product applications have been gradually extended from fuel vehicles, new energy vehicles, and large displacement motorcycles to the sectors of aerospace, marine, robots, rail transit, agriculture machinery, and construction machinery. Our products have been exported to the United States, Germany, Australia, Switzerland, and Japan. Looking to the future, Zhengheng is standing at the forefront of the industry and yielding brilliant results from industry transformation. Zhengheng is committed to creating a brand of great power with its craftsman spirit and indomitable will.